start.
Hello, I'm Zoe. We will talk about popping of popcorns. A popcorn is a variety of corn kernel which expands and puffs up when heated. You know what? A corn was domesticated about 10,000 years ago in Mexico. Archaeologists discovered that people have known about popcorn for thousands of years. In Mexico, for example, remnants of popcorn have been found that date circa 3600 BC. The term popped corn first appeared in John Russell Bartlett's 1848 Dictionary of Americanisms. That is why popcorn is an ingredient in Cracker Jack and, in the early years of the product, it was popped by hand. How does the popcorn pop before and after? As the kernel heats up, the water expands, building pressure against the hard starch surface due to moisture. As it explodes, the soft starch inside the popcorn becomes inflated and bursts, turning the kernel inside out. If the kernels didn't pop, there would be low water percentage. In 1970, Orville Redenbacher's namesake brand of popcorn was first launched. As you know, Orville Clarence Redenbacher was an American food scientist and businessman most often associated with the brand of popcorn that bears his name that is now owned by Conagra. This is basically as a microwave popcorn. When you set it for 3 minutes, the popcorn is ready to pop after a minute. The bag is in the closed form first, then it starts to expand after 60 to 70 seconds. After a minute, the popping sound starts. Once it is ready, you people can enjoy the popcorn snack. One application is during a movie show. Other is a popcorn machine is a device used to pop popcorn, invented by Charles Cretors in the late 19th century. Many types of small-scale home methods for popping corn also exist. After a trial period where Cretors gave away samples of his new popcorn product, people began to line up to purchase bags of the hot, buttered popcorn. So, you know how a popcorn is made with hard kernels. Like, comment, and subscribe now.